Hello everyone and welcome to Driven Mad.
We are fitting.
We're back on your Mini.
Back on my Mini, back on my Mini, because you know, even though I was going to do absolutely nothing to it, we're now fitting. I hate those badges, I hate them. So, I can't say I actually love these, but they're going on. And
what are these? These are AliExpress specials, are they?
These are AliExpress specials because, you know, some of us have got to watch the pennies.
Yes, count the pennies.
Count the pennies. Actually, there's nothing wrong with them.
No. So the aim for you at the moment is blackout, isn't it? We've obviously done the trims and
the aim is to black out.
I really don't like that badge.
Well, I found a nice set used of John Cooper Works ones on eBay, and they wanted £120 plus shipping plus tax to get them here. And these were £11.50.
Right. Well, you can't argue with that. So this is this one. So we'll do this one. You got your protective film.
We're assuming, because of all this gubbins here,
this is LED.
That these are LEDs and these aren't. But this is an electric car. It's a modern car.
It is.
They should be bloody LED, shouldn't they?
They should.
But let's see.
Also. So
you'll have to excuse the coffee because the coughing because he's just cooked piri piri fish finger in bagel with salad. It was superb, I have to say. But the spice that's in the air in here is incredible. But anyway, less of our eating habits.
And let's get this one off, shall we?
Because this might take a whole 30 seconds.
I know. There's two prongs at the bottom that hook onto the bodywork here. And then at the top, there's actually the pop-in clip. So we're going to pop this one off from the top, and then it should just come out.
Right. We're in.
That sounds like that's going to break. I'm a bit nervous of that. Hang on. I really don't like plastic, but
that's got a metal hook as well.
Whee! Out we come. Sorry about that.
What the scratch?
Add another one to your collection. There we go. Right. Whilst that cleans, I can show you this. So the old one plugs in here, and we're going to be reusing this piece here. So there's a little clip there, which you have to lift to then be able to turn the piece. So I'm going to slightly lift that up.
I don't know why I worry so much about bare wires, because they're all bare in there anyway.
True. So you've got to slightly lift that, which is tough, but slightly lift this tab, and then you can lift it over this little line, and then you can turn it and undo it. So
clever.
There we go. So it's sort of a little locking tab, that one. So that's the old one off. Happy days. Pop that away. Don't break it. Now we're reusing this.
Oh, that bit is a clip in. So if I could find a new bit, I could put it back with something a little bit sexier in.
Yes.
Well, anything without that.
Yeah, that green badge is horrid.
It's horrid.
So we're going to take the bulb out of this. Just pull it out. And then we'll be reusing this housing.
We're going to have to stick that because that's metal, and that's going to go donk, donk, donk.
Just got it wedged down there. Oh.
You've broken my
I've broken the AliExpress light.
Why?
It just fell out. The wire just came. I didn't even pull on it. It just came out. Right, we had a little inconvenience. I pulled the wire out.
Well, you didn't.
I didn't. It was badly put in.
No, it was.
The wire fell out.
It wasn't put in. Whichever bit. Should we show it?
Yeah, let's show it. Into the resist. Actually, from the resistor, it goes to a little connector for whatever reason, and it wasn't.
It wasn't in
at all.
So I think we did well. You did well to find it. Yes, so we've soldered, if that's anywhere in, we soldered it back together and put a bit of amalgamating tape. But also, these are metal. And they'd be just banging around against here. So we've hot melted them to that. But that's what you get when you pay no money.
Yeah, exactly right. So let's continue putting it in if we do a swapsy.
Yeah.
This should just plug directly into where the light went in here, like that.
Which at least it's good because there's no mod to the car.
No.
So we can revert. I'll be looking to, mind you.
Right, there we go. It's a bit of a tight old fit, but we're in. There we go. And now we just need to plug the connector back in. This doesn't go back in the hole, so that's just going to have to be plugged back in, like so. Hang on.
Do you want to hold it?
No, should be all right. Goes that way. There we go. Nice,
click,
solid click.
Do you want the old
I think we'll take the plastic protection off this.
Off this high quality bit of.
Is that sapphire crystal? Right, so the bottom 2 clips slot in, and then obviously the top pushes back.
There's no getting away, they are grim.
Yeah, well, they're AliExpress. And then just pop the top back in.
Oh, they are grim. They're grim. I don't think they're going to be staying long, but they're going on. They're not coming off.
Nope. They're as grim as mine on Arnie. My bath's got some very similar. So let's put the other side on. We'll fast forward that one.
Well, that's not anything to write home about.
And then we'll test them out.
If anyone knows where I could just buy that insert, let me know.
All right. Well, let's move to the other side. Right, so that sums up the install. It wasn't particularly difficult. The wire coming out was the only bit that took some time, but it was only 5-10 minutes.
Well, luckily we found it. So
I think they look all right.
They do look all right.
They look better than the mini ones. So,
well, they disappear, don't they? They look better on than off.
Yes, they do. Yeah.
And the light was just a little flash there.
Yes,
so
it was pretty dull before.
So I think that's more visible.
I think so. Yeah.
Which is good, but it's just disappeared. So it's perfectly acceptable.
Yeah. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
Indeed.
And we'll catch you in the next video.